Humans are fascinated by trains, and the story of ICF, the Integral Coach Factory, is also as fascinating as the trains are. The Integral Coach Factory stands as a landmark in India's journey of independence. Inaugurated in the year 1955 on October 2. In the narrative of India's infrastructural renaissance, the Integral Coach Factory in Chennai has emerged not merely as a factory, but as a crucible of transformation. One where engineering precision converges with fiscal foresight to fashion the very sinews of a new India on the move. Located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, this factory is among the oldest and most significant railway production units in the country. It has got two divisions: the shell division that fabricates the coach's skeleton, and its furnishing division, which was added on October 2, 1962. This marked the beginning of an era of manufacturing fully furnished coaches, a milestone that further accelerated over time. This division takes care of the interior and exterior amenities of the coaches. The coaches have come a long way, evolving from modest origins to luxurious comforts. ICF is equipped with state-of-the-art in-house design and development facilities that allow it to produce coaches of varied designs to meet the ever-changing demands of different categories of travelers each year. Today, meticulous attention is being paid to designing coaches that provide utmost safety and exceptional comfort.
As of May in the current year 2025, we have made 77,877 coaches, and this includes reaching the historical milestone of 75,000 coaches in the year 2024 June. Last year, that is 2024-25, we have made totally 3,007 coaches. Current year, we have been given a huge target of 4,302 coaches by the Railway Board. This is keeping in view the decision to replace the old design ICF coaches with LHB design coaches.
Occupying 511 acres of land, the ICF employs over 8,500 personnel. The factory produces an impressive average of 2,500 to 3,000 coaches annually across 175 varieties. The coaches manufactured here include conventional, self-propelled coaches and cutting-edge designs such as Link-Hoffman-Bush LHB coaches and India's first semi-high-speed train, the Vande Bharat Express.
In recent past, with government thrust on VB trains, Namo Bharat trains, Amrit Bharat trains, the budget grant has increased manifold. And this financial year, ICF has received a grant of 11,200 crores. To reduce this fiscal narrative to a mere ledger of debits and credits would be to miss the broader symphony. The production of such trains translates into a staggering 40,000 crore rupees of economic activity and an anticipated employment generation of 15,000 jobs, both directly and indirectly. On ICF, the finance team has been proactive and works as a team with each of the departments to ensure the targets are met as planned within the budgeted grants.
As of January 2026, ICF had manufactured over 80,000 coaches, making it the highest passenger coach manufacturer globally. Starting with steel welded shells in 1955, the factory initially had a capacity of 350 units per year. Infrastructure advancements saw production rise to 1,000 coaches annually by 1990, culminating in a remarkable record of 4,166 coaches produced in 2019-20, a global achievement in railway manufacturing. In 2024-25, ICF delivered 3,007 coaches, including 1,169 distributed power rolling stock, DPRS coaches, and 1,838 LHB coaches. Beyond domestic production, the factory exports rolling stock globally. ICF has exported over 875 coaches, shells, and components to countries such as Sri Lanka, Thailand, Philippines, Zambia, Nigeria, and others, amassing a total value of approximately 1,004 crore.
Materials management is one of the very important activities of any manufacturing unit. In ICF, we procure around 9,000 complex items of high quality required for varieties of coaches throughout the year through online transparent electronic tenders. Last year alone, we procure around 9,000 crores of material through 5,000 odd competitive tenders to provide uninterrupted supplies required for production. I am very happy to lead a happy and dedicated team of 400 staff who help me in procurement, storage and issue of material, out of which 50% are women power.
The factory has completed 70 years of production, excelling in manufacturing many self-propelled coach variants, which are designed and built using indigenous technology. ICF designs and tests coaches with extensive fire safety measures and materials to mitigate fire risks and prevent the spread of flames. These measures include using fire-resistant materials like fire-retardant plywood, special coatings, and non-flammable insulation in their construction. The coaches are then tested for all weather conditions to give the passengers a comfortable journey experience. The Vande Bharat train sets, initially known as Train 18, are manufactured with 87% indigenous inputs under the Make in India initiative and designed to operate at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. Till January 2026, ICF has delivered 95 Vande Bharat rakes across India's electrified states. Its pivotal role in the development of the Vande Bharat prototype demonstrated innovation and efficiency. ICF houses training schools to teach candidates the technology behind the coaches made here. Training is also imparted to make miniature models of the hugely popular Vande Bharat train models. These miniature models are collector's items.
At Integral Coach Factory, we are pioneering sustainability and safety. As the first central government organization to fully source electrical energy from renewables, we are upgrading ourselves to green building standards using energy-efficient lighting and eco-friendly materials. Our SCADA system optimizes energy use, while our 25 kV OHG test track ensures top train performance. With awards like the National Energy Conservation Award and CII Award, ICF is leading the way to a greener, safer future.
Additionally, ICF is celebrated for its environmental initiatives, housing green forests and solar panels. It is a zero-discharge factory and the only Indian Railways organization to achieve carbon-negative status. ICF has set up windmills in Radhapuram Taluk in Tirunelveli district in South Tamil Nadu. 10.5 megawatts power generated from this windmill is being used for captive consumption to meet ICF's energy demand. The project serves as a corporate responsibility towards green energy, taking care of the sustainable development aspect. Since being green energy, it will reduce carbon emission, which will in turn reduce global warming. ICF operates a full-fledged state-of-the-art multi-speciality hospital for its staff and their family. It's a complete medical facility with all the needed life-saving equipments and specialized units. ICF has also built a museum that strives to tell the general public, especially the children, about the origin and evolution of Indian Railways in general and ICF in particular. Here, actual bogies and engines of the bygone era are kept to keep the visitors informed about the way our trains progressed. Every step in the journey of ICF is well documented here. Miniature trains bring actual situations and teach the visitors the importance of respecting railways and level crossings. ICF runs primary, secondary and higher secondary schools for the children of its employees, imparting them the best education possible. ICF contributes for the welfare of the society too. It has an excellent waste management system where even the trash is recycled to produce manure. Inside the ICF campus, one can see many artistic sculptures that are made out of discarded materials from the factory. ICF maintains a huge lake that serves as a green shield against heat and acts as a sponge that collects rainwater. Freshwater lakes are vital aquatic ecosystems that play crucial roles in supporting biodiversity. ICF has received many accolades and awards for its varied activities and has been recognized for its technical wizardry and relentless research.
HR department has introduced a seamless succession system wherein retiring employees hand over promotion orders to the employees who will be getting the promotions against their own retirement. Apart from that, air conditioning, marriage halls, welfare centers, parks, sports grounds and facilities which are far better than privately maintained facilities have been provided to our employees. And additionally, lot of other welfare measures like institutions have been set up for the recreational activities of the employees, and the grievance redressal system has been introduced as the best of its kind in Indian Railways. So the employees are happy, and when happy human beings are working, they are fully involved in the working atmosphere and they give their best for the organization's improvement and working.
The management of ICF respects every employee, past and present, and have their photos pasted in a tree, symbolically recognizing their immense contribution in the progress of the organization.
Throughout the world, you can see search everywhere, integral coach factory, one of the best. Safety is the first priority, whatever we are giving here. With the safety, we are producing this much of output and this much of quality-oriented products. Apart from this, we have a good canteen over here. What all the amenities given to us has been very much appreciable.
Out of the approximately 8,500 employees who work here, around 1,400 are women. This include a dedicated Mahila Shakti team who play a vital role in various aspects of train coach production. This team contributes to engineering, technical work, and the furnishing of coaches, including the Vande Bharat trains.
ஷாப் 32 வந்துட்டு ட்ரிம்மிங் ஷாப். இங்கே வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 50 லேடிஸ்க்கு கிட்ட ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து ஒரு மகிழா சக்தின்ற ஒரு பவுண்டரிக்குள்ளே இருக்கும். இங்கே நிறைய ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. லேடிஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இங்கே நல்ல ஒரு அட்மாஸ்பியர் இருக்குது.
நாங்கள் இங்கே ரொம்ப சேஃப்டியாக செக்யூர்டாக வேலை செஞ்சுட்ருக்கோம். எங்களுக்கான எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸும் எங்கள் சூப்பர்வைசர்ஸும் எங்களோட ஹையர் அஃபீஷியல்ஸும் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே உமன்ஸ் டே மட்டும் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப கிராண்டாக செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஐசிஎஃப் எங்களுக்கு ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்த இந்த ஒர்க் ஸ்பேஸில் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாகவும் ஃப்ரீயாகவும் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாகவும் ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். எங்களுக்கு இது ரொம்ப ஒரு ப்ளசண்ட்டான அட்மாஸ்பியராக ஐசிஎஃப் எங்களுக்கு க்ரியேட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கு. உமன்ஸ் ரொம்ப செக்யூர்டாகவும் ரொம்ப சுறுசுறுப்பாகவும் இங்கே வேலை செய்கிறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கான எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸுமே ஐசிஎஃப் எங்களுக்கு சரி பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கு.
ICF is not just a manufacturing unit, but the pride of the nation. ICF does wonders on the tracks of the country. ICF runs the lifeline of our country, the trains. As of 2026, ICF majorly supplies modern coaches to India's railway system, which is the fourth largest in the world by size.
Integral Coach Factory ICF has been serving the nation for nearly 7 decades. And in this memorable journey, we have produced nearly 80,000 coaches in almost 700 variants. In the recent years, one of the most memorable turning point has been the production of Vande Bharat Express, which we earlier called as Train 18. Building on this momentum, ICF has gone on to develop several new trains in the recent past. These include the Vande Bharat variants designed for challenging terrains such as the Jammu Kashmir region. Amrit Bharat trains have been developed. Namo Bharat Rapid Train has been developed. We also produced and developed Vande Bharat Sleeper Train in collaboration with a public sector partner of ours. Significantly, the Vande Bharat Freight Train, which is nearing completion, We are also producing our own version of Vande Bharat sleeper train. We are upgrading the EMU trains of Mumbai area by providing the automatic doors, which will enhance safety and the comfort of the passengers. All this has been possible because of strong team ICF has got in the areas of design, manufacture, execution and material handling. They are ably supported by highly skilled and motivated workforce, which is 8,000 strong. It is no surprise that ICF is the first stop for Railway Board whenever new rolling stock projects are conceived. Alongside fulfilling the requirements of domestic market, we are also actively exploring the possibility of exporting our trains for the global market in the future. Thank you.
ICF, where factories are not just buildings but bastions of aspiration, and where trains are not mere transport but symbols of a nation's inexorable journey towards progress and pride. And ICF is the heart of Indian Railways. 140 crore Indians trust their lives with it.